DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good? You too. Gang, you already know what time it is. Yo, done mafia. Let's see what I go on today, man. Yo, me don't know what I go on for the past week, you know, dog. I'll be a madness. War just, yo, one war start and everybody decides, say, yo, a war time. You see me? I say, and any king start time. A war time now, brother. You see me? Yo, you see what we're at the front tiger today, gang? Yeah, it seems that Kyodi has entered the chat. Kyodi jumping at the war, gang. Yeah, man, gang. It seems like, yo, Kyodi, from what I'm seeing on social media, yeah, man, it seems like Kyodi jumping in the war with Byron Messia and TJ. You see me? I say, yeah, man, look like Kyodi say, yo, man, yo, TJ, you young, this enough for real. I don't even get to hear what I go on exactly. You see me? But me say Kyodi jumping in the war, and me saying tune bad, saying fire shots at Byron. I'm on what go on. You see me? Yeah, man. Me didn't expect the one from Kyodi. Me know say Kyodi a bad artist now when it comes to like dancing and things. Me know say you have potential when it comes to war tune. You see me? I say, but me didn't expect him to jump in on the one. You see me? I say the gang. Yeah, man. So the one are crazy. I have to check it out and see what go on. You don't know. TJ just dropped his reply yesterday. You feel me? I know me. I hear say, yo, Kyodi drop him this, bro. I gotta check it out, gang. Yeah, man. I see what go on. Cause the one are so excited. I don't know. We love you war over here, you know, gang. Yeah, man, me know, hey, yo, everybody in a dance are glad back boss right now. You see me? Someone have to say win or lose. Yeah, man, shout out to Byron, shout out to TJ, shout out to Kyodi, bro. Because, yo, a long time I see dancehall fans so happy, bro. You see me? The warrior make everybody excited. You see me? I say, so, yeah, man, we have to check out Kyodi, song and see where Kyodi come. You say bad, you know, gang? Real shit, man. You say bad, bro. Me say go hard pan it. You see me? I hear say, yo. If them was Byron when they not going to the studio right now, go reply to it. So we definitely want to check it out and see what I go on, man. Cause this is crazy, gang. Me can't believe what I go on. Yo, dance all nice, you know? Yeah, man, gang. We don't go hold up the vibe much longer. Let's jump in the track, man. Come on, gang. Kyodi, Yaadman Badness, Byron this, blouse and skirt. Let's get it, gang. Let's get it.
Yo, DJ, yo, Jambisco. You know you are no boy can't DJ, see? Yeah, man, better me murder him. Two we have one hit. Fear and
yeah, man, say, yo, TJ, me know you are with no man who can't DJ. Better me kill him. Two we have one hit. Fear and squid. Yo, me like that. Lad. So, you can't come try go on like you want to style Kyodi. Don't acknowledge fast, say, yo, I want it to have, you know. Yeah, man, so you can't come with that again, come in.
Better me murder him. Two we have one hit. Fear and square. You can't this Yaadman, you here nor there, zin?
Facts. Can't this Yaadman, you not here nor there. Facts, bro. I'm here, man, talk to them. Whew.
And square. You can't this Yaadman, you here nor there, zin? Boy, elder, Taliban different from sumo wrestler. Charge up my gun and pull up in a Tesla. Yaadman Badness, no boy no test that. Set spot, where you this.
Whoa. We gotta adjust the first line. The man say about elder. Taliban different from sumo wrestler. So yeah, that piggy leaf take off with him say, not me, guys. Him say, not me. Now I try and say again, not him. Just say, I'm just translating. Yeah, man, gang, come on.
In a Tesla, Yaadman Badness, no boy no.
Well, lad, man, I pull up from down here, some man. I'm here, man. Kyodi started off with very strong. I ain't gonna cap to you again. Come on.
Taliban different from sumo wrestler. Charge up my gun and pull up in a Tesla. Yaadman Badness, no boy no test that. Set spot.
Yeah, man, no boy no test that.
Pussy, 90s badness I riff that. Don't sing back 90s till your mates back.
Man say 90s badness, bro. I ref that. Man say yeah, ref, bro. Don't sing back 90s till your mates. Man say charge up my gun and pull up in our Tesla, bro. That's what you call double entendres, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, dog. Yaadman Badness. No boy, no test that. NPT, no pussy test, brother. Come on.
But you this tell you get a headshot. Pussy, 90s badness a riff that. Don't sing back 90s till your mates back. Killer and beanie, Shabba and Red Rat. But you like your girlfriend in our cell block. You buy in.
But man said, don't sing back 90s badness till your meds back. Beanie, Bunty. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, Ninja Lock. Hey, come on, from a cell block, bro. Yo, man, I get a history lesson that at the same time, Byron. Pumbuckler.
Shabba and Red Rat, but you like your girlfriend in our cell block. You buy in a run, you fi member. Not sure where you're from or your gender.
man say you buy in a run. Remember, we don't know where you come from or your gender. Bumbo clock, I'm a name Byron, bro. The man say, yo, you remember you buy in a run. We don't know where you come from now, your gender, you know, dog. Bumbo clock. Don't play with Kyodi, my G.
I want sell black. You buy in a run, you feel member. Not sure where you're from or your gender. Run it down with my gun till it's slender. Murder the pigs and a swine for December.
Say run him down with me gun till him slender. Yo, remember no pig for no swine for December, bro. Man, I run it down till you man, I run it down breathless till you lose weight, bro. Jaja. Yo, this bad gang. I'm sorry if I'm talking too much, gang.
Run it down with my gun till it's slender. Murder the pigs and a swine for December. Squeeze up his shotty with a temper. The index finger feel tender. Couple teeth and my gun never denture. For flinging I'm got in at the center. When the 15 ton and them run up all them done. Deal like get dark like one night now go.
But running down brawling, bro. You see me deal get dark like night now come, bro. You see me I say, hey, y'all don't play with Kyodi, bro. Come on, gang.
Can't catch boy a road Marcus, so God them go. Deal like get dark like one night now come. Should I make you
deal like dark like one night one come? You see, y'all was talking about the cool, calm and deadly thing, you know. See, Kyodi come out with the two of him first, this track, you know. So y'all can't say this week, bro. You see me and say, come on, guys.
You make your post and I chat a fuckery. Like say you get a dose of the white as you get a roast. All you having you with tell you know, say you never close.
Easy no my youth. I want you. You not get the one there, bro. You not get the one there. Bumbo clock. You not get the one there, man. Listen what the dog just say.
Chat a fuckery. Like say you get a dose of the white as you get a roast.
Wait, more pull it up from further there. Come on, man. Listen to a Kyodi step on the next one, bro. That was crazy, gang. Listen to this shit.
Old Marcus, so God them blow. Deal like get dark like one night now come. Should I make your ghost as you make your post and I chat a fuckery. Like say you get a dose of the white as you get a roast. All you having you with tell you know, say you never close. Say coffee there you make a toast.
Oh, yeah, your man said that. Should I make your ghost as you make your post? Yeah, chat like say you get a dose of the white. You see me and say all the avenue that say you never close. You see me see coffee there and make a toast. You know what he talking about when Byron say you have the biggest hits saying 05 and thing. You see me? The man say me should make your ghost as you make your post. You see me I say cause you chat like say you just get a dose of the white. Like say the white you just get a dose. You see me? All the avenues say you would never close. See coffee they make a toast. Man I say yo bro, all the avenues say you never close to having the biggest song. You see me? You just a chat like say you just take a sip of the whites, bro. You see me? All the avenues say you never close the toast. You see me? Toast one of the biggest true. You can't forget about crocodile teeth. You see me? I say, but shout out Byron say, but this is crazy. Kyodi dropping facts in this shit. You see me? Kyodi are schooling man at the same time, bro. That bad. You see me? Come on, gang.
All you having you with tell you know, say you never close. Say coffee there you make a toast. Me want know which chart it happy most. Skilly bang wap make it happy boss.
Oh man. Man say, me want know which chart it happy most. Skill bang wap. We make a tappy boss. Yo, this man, schooling this man. You see me? Look like Kyodi vex. So that's my biggest man. I say, my youth, I wish that try to tappy most. Eh? Skilly bang wappy make a tappy boss. You see me? I say this, I call them there's 3 more.
Man know which chart it happy most. Skilly bang wappy make a tappy boss. You listen Jeff and go copy flow.
Oh, wow. No, this man bring up Jeff fully harder, bro. He man say, Jeff, you copy flow. By the way, Jeff, where you there, bro? Jeff, you need to make a forward back, bro. Cause we there bring you that. You see me? You need forward back. Come here.
Go copy flow. But go to a diva kid. If I never feel your size, you're not really big. Can't tell your meds and feel wicked.
The man say, yo, you goat, you ain't even kid. You see me? If I never feel your size, you wouldn't even big. Can't tell your meds and think you're wicked. Bro, stop playing with Kyodi, bro. Stop playing. This
size ain't really big. Can't tell your meds and feel wicked. Know you wish at Jamaica you did really live. Yo, pussy split pan boy. We no care which boy from your this or this track. Yaadman Badness. We no friend fish boy. Shoot and no miss boy. When the 15 ton and them run up all them done.
Yaadman Badness, yo. I want to your dog. I wish I did live a yard. Damn, Byron. Kyodi being wicked, bro. This is calm and deadly right here, cause You feel me, man? Job straight facts in these 2 minutes and 24 seconds, bro.
Turn hand them run, my ball them done.
Pussy them a ball.
Daylight get dark like one night
now come.
Night now come. Can't catch boy a road Marcus, so God them grown, God them grown. Daylight get dark like one night now come. When the 15 ton hand them run.
Wow, the 15 ton on them a ball and run. Can't catch boy a road with God them ground. I'm here, man.
Ball them done, ball them done. Daylight get dark like one night now come. Can't catch boy a road Marcus, so God them grown. Daylight get dark like one night now come.
Bye. Tell me which I take copy more. Skilly bang wapita. Skilly bang wapi make your copy boss. The man say be sure make your ghost so me make your post. You attack like you get a dose of the white. All your lonely know you never close. See coffee them make a toast. Tell me which I take copy more. Skilly bang wapi make your copy boss. Hey, that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Shout out to Kyodi, bro. And I can't say nothing about Kyodi having one hit. The man done adjust already. Man say, yo, easy TJ, me G. You see me, you shouldn't hackle up yourself on some boy you can't DJ. You see me, I say, let me kill him. Me and him have alone. We have one hit song. So this fair and square. Me could go at it. You see me? Buckley. Kyodi. You gotta put respect on Kyodi name, bro. Yeah, man. You have to respect Kyodi. Cause if you say, yo, you're Kyodi. You see me? And you see what I go on and you decide to run out on the dog where have the biggest. One of the biggest tune now right now. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Shout out to Kyodi, dog. I'm here, man. Run out on Byron brawling. That bad. Man say, yo, you're a Taliban. You see me? I'm a sumo. Man say sumo wrestler different from Taliban youth. I want you. Bad. I'm down pick no side people, so I don't come out on no feelings. Cause I feel like say me I pick out Kyodi and TJ side over Byron. You see me I pick music side, bro. You see me the entertainment. You see me what's more entertaining on music. That's what we rocking with, bro. We hyping up all the song them. You see me I react to all the song them. I listen to all the song them, bro. Music we say. You see me? Yeah, man. But this was entertaining, gang. This bad. Kyodi. Hey, shout out to Kyodi, man. Put some respect on Kyodi name. This bad, man. You see me and say, yeah, man, gang. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section. What do you think gonna win the war? TJ or Byron? Do you think Kyodi stand a chance if TJ send it on? Let's say, yo, dog, do the dirt. Think Kyodi have a chance? What do you think gonna win, man? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think Prince Wani gonna jump in the war based on what TJ said last time? Let me know. The Z them, the 6 them. Bombard. Yo, what if all came and 6 on them and they start jumping? Yo, that would be crazy, gang. That would be crazy. But anyway, gang, let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. You don't know it's boy Jambisco. War nice. Yes, we love the war. Yes, me I say Dan Mafia. I feel like you should have some love and support. Like you know, it's Jambisco and Seno. Drop in the comments in the comment section. Let's chop it up, gang. You already know what time it is. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. You know, hit and smash on a banger. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.